Hey guys, so crypto market update. Bitcoin is making a move. First of all, thanks for watching. Appreciate you're here. Um, yeah, Bitcoin is starting to make that move that we were talking about in the last video, talking about the Bollinger Bands and how tight they are. Bollinger Bands were really the tightest that they have been in quite some time, right? And so I think only 3 or 4 times in the history of Bitcoin have they been this tight. And once they break, it breaks about 30% move one way or the other. This one was below the center line, so it has a bullish, or excuse me, a bearish bias. And we're starting to see that the Bollinger Bands just started to open up as we broke that $7,000 mark. Still have a little bit of resistance to do. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be looking to fill or to open a short position here. If we can get up, I might just stay out of the way. If we can get up to around 7,000 is when I'd open up that short. If we can get a little small bounce before we move up here, I'm not entirely sure that that's going to happen. Pretty much everything is oversold conditions all the way up until the 12-hour. That doesn't really mean a lot though, because the range was so tight and so choppy that it's really easy for a price move one way or the other to go right away into oversold or overbought conditions. But we are oversold all the way into the 12-hour time period. And we're seeing a big, so here we are oversold into the 12-hour period, and we are seeing a big increase of volume. So this shows me that this is potentially going to be starting to form a healthy trend in the downside. Not necessarily what we want to see for Bitcoin, but I'm a trader, and so trade one way or the other. Another one that so we're going to be watching that closely. If you guys are interested, I have a Discord group where I give my live trade alerts when I make them. So if you guys want to follow along, more than happy to have anyone aboard as we learn about Bitcoin, trade Bitcoin, and the other cryptocurrencies around it. This one, I'm going to make this update a little bit shorter. XTZ is another one that I'm also been looking at. This one, the trend is still intact, right? We saw that big move on Bitcoin, and XTZ hardly even moved at all. I'm going to be looking for a long position once we start breaking down, around the $1.45 mark, something like that. Shows it a little bit better here. On the daily, we're really just like in some healthy consolidation. The bear volume is still relatively low. I'll be looking to scale in around the $1.50 mark is when I'll start placing orders, and I'm just going to ladder buy down to probably around 130 or so. Be a smaller position. I do have XTZ is probably my second largest holding on my long-term portfolio. So I'm just going to be doing some swing trades on the way up as we move here. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, criticisms, any of that stuff, please drop me a comment, like, subscribe, hit that little bell button. And yeah, I'd love to see you guys join me in the Discord group. I've also started a private Facebook group, so if people want to be a part of that, that would be great as well. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the trenches.